Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry exercise L1.4. So today's section I am going to discuss fifth main third problem. So what is that? The third one, tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So here we want to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So first write down LHS. What is that? LHS, tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So now this tan theta we can write sin by cos. So write down here sin theta divided by cos theta, and this divided by 1 minus cot theta. 1 minus cot we can write cos theta divided by sin theta, and plus here also cot theta. Cot theta we can write cos theta divided by sin theta, and this divided by 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta, right? Write down here reason. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So now in denominator take LCM. So first write down here sin theta divided by cos theta as it is, this divided by, here LCM is a sin theta, so here multiple by sin theta and here multiple by 1. So this become sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta, plus here also cos theta divided by sin theta as it is. So this divided by LCM is a cos theta, so cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So now this is sin and this sin multiplication and these two, so this become sin into sin, sin square theta divided by this cos multiplication by this sin theta minus cos theta. So this become cos theta in a bracket sin theta minus cos theta, and similarly here also cos theta into cos theta cos square theta divided by these two sin theta in a bracket cos theta minus sin theta. So now here see here sin theta minus cos theta, but here cos theta minus sin theta, so I will take minus outside. So now this equation become sin square theta as it is and divided by cos theta as it is, and sin theta minus cos theta as it is. So here I will take minus common, so this plus become a minus, and here cos square theta as it is and sin theta as it is. So minus outside means the plus cos theta become a minus sin theta, and minus sin theta become a plus sin theta. So sin theta minus cos theta. So now observe here sin theta cos theta, and here also sin theta cos theta, take outside, remain take outside sin theta minus cos theta, and remaining term sin square theta, this sin square theta divided by here sin theta minus cos theta outside, remaining cos theta, and minus cos square theta as it is. So this divided by sin theta minus cos theta outside, right? So now 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta as it is. So here make cross multiplication, sin square into sin is sin cube theta, minus cos into cos square cos cube theta, this divided by cos theta into sin theta. And see here a sin cube minus cos cube, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So write down here 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta in a bracket. So here is an a cube minus b cube. X form is a minus b in a bracket a square plus b square plus ab, right? So here in a place we have sin cube and in a b place we have cos cube. So a cube minus b cube X form is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So a minus b means sin theta minus cos theta, and a square plus b square means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus ab, sin theta cos theta, right? So this divided by cos theta sin theta as it is. So now here sin theta cos theta get cancelled. So remaining term sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1. Already we know that identity, and plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So write down here reason sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now this one we can write 1 divided by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So this denominator comes this 1 also and this sin theta cos theta also. So now here sin theta cos theta get cancelled. So remaining 1 by sin is cosec theta, 1 by cos is sec theta, plus here these two get cancelled, remaining 1. So this one we can write 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So this is our RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? Well students, the next problem, fourth one, 1 plus sec a divided by sec a is equal to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos square a. So first write down LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. So this is equal 1 plus sec a, we can write 1 divided by cos a, and this divided by, here also sec a, 1 divided by cos a. So now take here LCM cos a. So here multiple by cos a and here multiple by 1. So this become cos a plus 1 divided by cos a, and this divided by 1 divided by cos a. So here denominator cos a get cancelled. So remaining term cos a plus 1 divided by 1, right? So now cos a plus 1 in a denominator, nothing means 1 is there, right? So here I will make multiplication and divide by cos a minus 1, multiplication and divided by. So now see here, it is 1 cos a plus 1 and it is cos a minus 1, a plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. So now this become cos square a minus 1 square. So this divided by cos a minus 1. So here reason a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So now cos square a minus 1 square is 1 only, right? So this divided by cos a minus 1. We know that one identity. Which one? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, right? So now this 1 comes this side, this become a minus, and this sign goes that side, the sign become a minus, right? So now cos square a minus 1 is equal to minus sin square a, right? Instead of this cos square a minus 1 is equal to, we can write minus sin square a. So write down here minus sin square a, this divided by, so here I will take in a denominator minus common. So minus common means minus 1 become a plus 1, and a plus cos a become a minus cos a. So now minus minus cancel, so remaining term sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So it is our RHS. See here, sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a.